Big surprise today came from the export number. Once again, I feel that the USDA could potentially continue to lower that. We lowered the export number by 160 million bushels. Right now, to give an idea to everyone, our pace compared to the USDA's estimated export is down right now 460 million bushels. Today, the USDA only lowered the export number by 160 million bushels. So potentially more revisions to be made there if a trade war is not resolved in very near term. But I think overall, it's not a pretty looking report. They did increase the crush slightly from 2.07 billion bushels to 2.08 billion bushels. Helped out a little bit, but we're still kind of nearing down, in my opinion, the tube of what could be a 1 billion bushel carryout. Right now, I mean, prices are always going to tend to follow what our carryout number is and what our carryout to use number is. To give an idea, we're almost double what our previous record high carryout number has been. And when you look at it from a carryout to use ratio as well, we're sitting on about double the stocks that we ever have. Like I said, if the trade war with China doesn't get worked out, we're going to continue to grow that. So in my opinion, I think we're going to go down and we're going to test the old lows. For the bean side, looking at a March bean contract, I think we're going to make a run back to the 840 level. And then we'll kind of sit there. I think the bulls are going to want to wait and see what could be had with a negotiation between Trump and President Xi Jinping at the G20 meetings. But I definitely think that we're going to make a run back down towards the old lows. Like I said, 840 on the March side. We're going to wait and see what the December crop production report looks like and see if some trade war talks can be had before we decide where we want to venture from the 840 mark. Today we're sitting roughly at about 880 on the March beans. You know, this definitely I think came as a little bit of a shock to some of the farmers and some of the market participants in general. Our feeling has kind of been that we're going to see the export number continue to get lowered. The big fear right now, looking forward, there's really a couple things that the farmer should concentrate on, and that's how the USDA is going to wrap up and tweak the S&Ds between now and January. As I've said, my opinion is that we're probably going to see lower export numbers come out unless a trade war resolution can be had. From the demand side, you know, crush, we're already publishing what I feel is a capacity number. I don't think we're going to see crush number grow much more. On the production side, as I stated earlier, I think that there potentially could still be some downside to that yield number. So not a very good looking report today from the farmer side. You know, I think that these prices don't look great, but I think come 30 to 60 days from now, these prices may not look as bad as they once did.